Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal as a beginner. First, you'll need to create a free account using your email address. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes. Next, link a bank account or credit card to fund your transactions. Finally, verify your identity to remove any sending limits, ensuring you can send and receive money without restrictions. Sending money with PayPal is incredibly simple. Go to the Send and Request tab and enter the recipient's email address or phone number. Then, specify the amount you wish to send and select your preferred funding source, whether it's your bank account or a linked card. For personal payments, choose friends and family to avoid transaction fees, making it a cost-effective option. Receiving money through PayPal is just as easy. Simply provide your PayPal email address or a personalized payment link to the sender. Once they send the funds, the money will appear in your PayPal balance almost instantly. You can then choose to keep it in your balance for future purchases or transfer it to your linked bank account. Bank transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days to complete. To ensure your PayPal experience is secure, always enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Be cautious of phishing emails and suspicious links, as these can compromise your information. Always review transaction details thoroughly before confirming any payment. If you notice any unauthorized activity, contact PayPal support immediately for assistance and resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.